In this video, you'll be advised on how to access our online courses in 6 easy steps. Firstly, you need to visit our website. You should then select the Event and Training category and then click on Accredited e-courses. From here, you'll be taken to a separate page which will show you our range of e-courses. You can select whichever one you're most interested in. After this, you'll be asked to create an account with us, simply entering your email address and a secure password. Most of our courses are free. However, if a payment is required, you'll be asked to provide your account details. All proceeds are reinvested into our charitable aims. After this, you'll have access to your online course. At the end of your learning experience, you'll be asked to complete a test or evaluation. Lastly, you will receive a certificate from the Institute, which can be used to show prospective employers.